I'm really excited to be here at the AMIC site. AMIC, the Advanced Manufacturing and Innovation Centre, is a step change for Northern Ireland. It brings the expertise that universities have and applies it to real business and industry problems that can make a real difference. But that can only happen if you get universities working together, not only with business but also with government. That can create a triple helix, if you will, that gives you a virtual spiral of success. And government, universities and businesses work together to create fantastic centres like this that will make a real difference to manufacturing here in Northern Ireland.
AMIC's Factory of the Future is a £98 million investment that will transform local manufacturing. It will create 1,500 new jobs, train hundreds of apprentices and inject millions into the local economy. AMIC gives manufacturers access to cutting-edge tech, helping businesses boost their productivity and global competitiveness, both of which are central to my economic vision and the long-term economic development of the North.
I'm delighted to be here on the tour of the Advanced Manufacturing and Innovation Centre. It's part of the City Deals, £930 million in the Belfast Regional City Deal. This project here in Newton Abbey is about encouraging and developing our manufacturing sector, and it's about keeping pace of the significant advancements in technology and ensuring that we are world leaders. So I'm delighted that the executive, councils, business and universities are all working in partnership to bring projects like this forward and ensure that we continue to be world leaders.
This facility is a great opportunity for advanced manufacturing in Northern Ireland. It's where we'll be advancing the industrial state of the art, helping manufacturers improve productivity by deploying new technology. So it's really going to be the flagship and a beacon for manufacturing technology innovation, using digital technologies, automation, novel materials processing, and bringing manufacturers in Northern Ireland up to improve productivity, bring new products to market and attracting investors here, because it's going to build also on the R&D strengths of Northern Ireland research, as well as the strength of the Northern Ireland manufacturing supply chain.